Hi dear children, I hope all of you are safe in your home. Here I am again with lesson 3. My name is Sajida. So welcome all of you to this social studies class. And you already studied this lesson 3, Mineral Wealth of India. But today we will again revise it. I have certain questions there. We will discuss that question. So before that, let me ask, what are minerals? So the name of the lesson is Mineral Wealth of India. What are called minerals? Are they important? We know that the minerals are very important. Then what are called minerals? Minerals are substances that we found under the ground. Okay, and they are natural substances. They are not man-made. They occur naturally. And where do we found them? Under the ground. When I have taken the class, I told you that we dug deep holes inside the earth to take the minerals out. So first thing you have to understand is that minerals are natural substances that we found under the ground. Second thing you have to understand is that these are natural things. Now listen, look at the heading, Mineral Wealth of India. Wealth. Minerals are wealth for our country. Why we use the word wealth there? Mineral wealth. You know, minerals are very important. Why? What is the importance of minerals? Because minerals helps us to make loads of products. Okay, we have loads of industries in our country. In all these industries, we are making different products. What's the importance of products? We use it in our daily use and we can sell it. Then we get loads of money. So for making things, we need minerals. Okay. Then another use is that it is used as a source of energy. So these are the two things in which minerals are related. Minerals are used to make things and also these are used as a source of energy. So that's why we say that mineral wealth. Mineral wealth. Then I told you that minerals are natural substances and we divide these minerals into two groups, renewable and non-renewable sources. Okay. Then another thing about these minerals is that it takes millions of years for its formation. And I told that the minerals are important. We use it in various purposes. So it's limited. If you are using it unwantedly, it will get lost. So once get lost, we can't renew it. So we should be careful when we use it. Okay. These things are the important things. We should keep it in mind about the minerals. Now let's do the exercise. Here, first question. Dash is popularly known as black gold. Dash is popularly known as black gold. Here, the options given are copper, petroleum, silver and gold. You know, here the answer is petroleum. Petroleum is popularly known as black gold. Then so many types of minerals are there. Then why we call the petroleum as black gold? Because we use petroleum for different doing different things. Okay, we use petroleum as a source of energy, and also petroleum is used for making different things like cooking gas, for making plastics, cosmetics, lubricants, etc. So, as it is very important, we call it as black gold. Okay, so dash is popularly known as black gold. It is petroleum. Why we call it as black gold? Because it is very important. We can't run our vehicles without petrol, and also various products are made from petroleum. So in our life it plays a very important role, so we call petroleum as black gold. So you should remember this, that petroleum is popularly known as black gold. When you hear the word black gold, this petroleum, the word you should remember the word petroleum. Now second one, dash is a non-metallic mineral. So in this lesson, we studied that there are metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic and non-metallic minerals are there. Here, the options given are copper, gold, coal and iron. Okay, copper, gold, coal and iron. We know that copper is a metal, gold is a metal, iron is also a metal. The non-metallic mineral is coal. Coal is the answer. So when you read the textbook, you should mark which are the metallic minerals and also which are the non-metallic minerals. Coal is a non-metallic mineral. Petroleum is also a non-metallic mineral. Now, third one. Coal is popularly known as dash. In the bracket, it is given as lignite, black gold, black diamond, peat. You know which is called as black gold? Petroleum is known as black gold. Now the question is, which is known as black diamond? Okay, coal is popularly known as dash. The answer is coal is popularly known as dash. Here the answer is black diamond. Coal is known as black diamond. Which is known as black gold? Petroleum. Then which is known as black diamond? Coal. Then okay, so petroleum is known as black gold and coal is known as black diamond. Black diamond. Diamond is a very precious one. Here coal is known as black diamond. Black diamond. It's called black diamond because of the importance. Okay, coal is very important. It is used in various activities like heating, for making different things, for cooking, like that. Various activities. It's very important. So it has been known as black diamond. So for petroleum, as petroleum is very important, we call it as black gold. As diamond is as coal is very important, we call it by the name black diamond. Now, next question, fourth one. Dash is used to make electrical wires. You know that electricity is very important. At night, if we didn't have electricity, we will not be able to study at night. Dash is used to make electrical wires. The options are iron, copper, gold, manganese. Iron, copper, gold, manganese. No, here the answer is copper. Do you know why copper is used to make electrical wires? It is because copper is a good conductor of electricity. We can't use iron and manganese and gold for making electrical wires. Okay, so copper is, as it is a good conductor of electricity, we use copper for making electrical wires. Now, fifth one. Dash resources do not pollute the environment. Dash resources do not pollute the environment. Here, what is the meaning of the word resources? Resources are the things which helps us. Okay, some that is the natural resources which we get from the nature. We can't make it. It's a gift of the nature. Okay, water resource, then that mineral resource, then we can say that forest is a resource. All these resources helps us in different ways, and these resources we can divide it into two. Resources can be divided into two. That is renewable and non-renewable. Okay, here the question is, dash resources do not pollute the environment. Answer: mineral, metallic, renewable, non-renewable. Okay. What is the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources? Renewable resources, example, metals, then petroleum, coal, etc. Metals, that is copper, iron, gold, etc. Then petroleum, then comes the coal. All that are non-renewable resources. Okay, so resources can be divided into two: renewable and non-renewable. Non-renewable resources consist minerals, petroleum, coal, etc. Then which is renewable resource? Sunlight, rainfall, wind, etc. What is the difference between these two, renewable and non-renewable? Non-renewable resources like metals, petroleum, coal, etc. we know that we take it from the ground, from under the ground. We dig it out and we use it for various purposes. If we use it, if we overuse it, or if we misuse it, we will not be able to form it again. Renewable resources, we can, renewable resources, in the category of renewable resources, there comes wind, sunlight, rainfall, etc. We get it more and more. Once we use it, it will not end. It will come again and again. So here the question is, dash resources do not pollute the environment. We know that petroleum is a non-renewable resource, but when we use it in vehicles, loads of smoke comes out of the vehicle and it causes air pollution. So like the things like are there. But renewable resource like wind, rainfall, sunlight, that things do not pollute the environment. Okay, so we can say here the answer is, we can say that renewable resources. Renewable resources do not pollute the environment. So, dash resources do not pollute the environment. Answer is, renewable resources do not pollute the environment. Now, sixth question. Dash is used to make ornaments. Ornaments, you know, the chain, the earrings, bangles, anklets, all that are ornaments. Here the option: sand, mercury, gold, coal. You know that, I know that you know the answer. It is gold. Why gold is used to make ornaments? because it's one thing is it is very beautiful to see. Another thing, it's very precious. Why it is very precious gold? Because it is very rare. We can't find gold in all places, okay? So that's why it is a precious metal. So gold is used to make ornaments. Now, next question. Dash is a good conductor of electricity. That we already studied. It is copper. Then 8.1. The gas cylinder we use at home for cooking contains crude oil, TNT, LPG, then CNG. You may have seen gas cylinder in your kitchen. Okay, your mother may be using it. Then there, the gas cylinder, it contains, what does the gas cylinder contains? That is, the options are crude oil, TNT, LPG and CNG. Here the answer is LPG. You know the full form of LPG? Liquid petroleum gas. It is made from petroleum. Okay. So, what is called black gold? Petroleum is called black gold, you know. I told that petroleum is very important. So, these are, it is from the petroleum we take the LPG. It helps in cooking. The ninth question, dash is used to make aeroplanes. Answer, option, copper, gold, aluminium, then silver. Here, the answer is aluminium. You know why aluminium is used to make aeroplanes? We are not using copper, gold or silver or any other metal for making aeroplanes. It is only this aluminium, this metal is used to make the body of aeroplanes. The reason is that it is a lighter metal and also this aluminium will not rust. If we use iron and all, it's heavier and also iron will rust. So this aluminium metal is lighter and also it resists rusting. So aluminium is the metal which is used to make aeroplanes. Now, 10th question. Gold mines are located at coal mines are located at dash in West Bengal. What is a mine? Mine is a place from where we take metals. Okay. Here, coal mines are located at dash in West Bengal. But coal is not a metal, you know. It is a non-metallic mineral. So, I think you have understood what is a mine. Mine is a place from where we get the content of these different types of minerals. So here, coal mines are located at dash in West Bengal. Have to write the name of place. Here the options given are Tikboy, Bengal High, Raniganj and Bokaro. You know, here the answer is Raniganj. In West Bengal, there is a place called Raniganj. In that place, the soil contains loads of minerals. So there, the coal mines are located. Okay. So here the answer is Raniganj. So these are the questions. So you practice these questions, and if you have any doubt regarding this lesson, you may have got the notes of this lesson, you know, that the phone number of the teacher is given. You can call us, we will clear your doubts, okay. So, try to read the textbook, and also when you study the lesson, study your notes, try to, after studying it, try to write down the notes and check the spellings, whether that the spellings are correct. Okay. So till the next class, you stay safe. Till we meet. Goodbye.